What's worse, a roadmap with too many features or no roadmap at all? What if AI can help you cut through the noise and get to a first draft in minutes, while still keeping you in control? If you're new to product, a roadmap is basically a high-level plan that shows where your product is headed. It's not every tiny detail. It's a story of priorities and direction over time. Roadmaps usually answer 3 questions. What are we working on? When roughly will it happen? Why does it matter? The challenge is, sometimes you don't know where to start, and other times, you're drowning in too many requests.
First, we'll open up ChatGPT or the AI tool of your choice. I'm going to paste in this prompt. You are a senior product editor. Create a 6-month roadmap for a B2B SaaS platform focusing on user retention. Return the answer in table format with the following columns: Timeframe, for now, next, later, theme, feature initiative, rationale, reach, impact, confidence, and effort. Keep responses concise so they can be easily copied into a spreadsheet. AI here acts as a brainstorming partner. The more context you feed it, like your company's goals, customer insights, and constraints, the sharper the output. Now, this prompt is obviously an oversimplified version of a real company or product. In practice, you want to include way more detail about your actual product, user segments, and strategy. But even with a simple input like this, AI can help you get past the blank page and into a workable draft. Once I have this output, I'll click on Copy, open up a spreadsheet, and paste. Now let's say you already have a feature backlog. AI really shines when it comes to organization and prioritization. Here's an example prompt that I will use. Here's a list of 70 features. Group them into roadmap themes, assign them into now, next, later, and return the answer in a table format with columns timeframe, theme, feature initiative, rationale, reach, impact, confidence, effort. Keep it concise for spreadsheet use. Go ahead and paste in my spreadsheet with that list of items. If you're new to product, RICE is a simple framework that helps you prioritize features. It stands for Reach. How many users will this impact? Impact. How much value will it create if it works? Confidence. How sure are we about our estimates? Effort. How much time or resources will it take? AI can quickly assign rough RICE scores, which is great for early sorting. But one important note, effort from AI is always a high-level placeholder. You'll still want to meet with engineering to validate feasibility and bandwidth before committing.
So whether you're starting from a blank page or wrangling a backlog, AI can be your assistant, not your replacement. Feed it as much context as you can. Use it to draft structure, but always validate with your team. That's how you turn messy input into a clear, realistic roadmap. If you want the exact prompts I use, they're in the description. And subscribe for the next video.